The all-new Acura RDX has a lot going for it, as long as driving dynamics are your top priority. The redesigned compact luxury SUV was impressive on our test track and on the road. Agile handling, a new powertrain, and standard advanced safety gear make a great case for the RDX. But overcomplicated controls and lackluster fuel economy are hard to ignore. The 2019 redesign brings some significant changes under the hood. Previous models came with a V6. Now, the third generation RDX comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The combo provides a healthy dose of power that's more responsive on the highway than it is around town. Handling is a strong suit for this SUV. Quick steering makes it eager to dive into corners, and the firm suspension keeps the body balanced at speed. Most bumps are absorbed, but the RDX feels a bit jittery on rough roads. Accessing the cabin is easy with tall door openings and a low sill. The front seats are supportive and have a range of adjustments. The back seat is accessible too, with enough room to seat 3 adults. We loved the RDX's cockpit-like driving position. Slim front pillars and large side windows allow for good visibility, but the sloping roofline and thick rear pillars cut down the view straight back. The rear window is large, and the headrests don't block the line of sight. The cabin is strikingly modern, a high-tech design that's finished with glossy black surfaces and brushed metal trim. A standard power liftgate opens to a nicely finished cargo area. The opening is wide and the floor is flush with the sill, making it easy to load. The 60/40 split rear seats fold to accommodate large items, and a bin under the cargo floor is great for corralling groceries. But for all the changes made in this redesign, the controls are by far the worst. The infotainment system has a steep learning curve, and a touchpad has to be used to navigate the system. The 10-inch dash-mounted screen has sections that correspond with the pad, but the process is fussy and requires diving into layers of menus to find what you're looking for. Apple CarPlay is supported, and Android Auto will be available at a later date. We found the gear selector tricky to use as well. The row of push-pull buttons takes time to decipher and ends up taking the driver's eyes off the road. However, there's fail-safe logic built in that shifts the car into park to avoid accidental rolling if the driver's door is opened with the vehicle in gear. Advanced safety equipment comes standard on the RDX, a move we applaud. The suite includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.